Hi, it's the in front of me TCL 405 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So to do that, we should first open the Play Store app and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. So tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button to open the app, click to enable in settings, and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. The process is finished, so now let's check the new keyboard look. And we could see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.